Hi, you know, I know, we all know that one thing about India. Life is better for those who speak English well. They find better career opportunities, quicker promotions, higher incomes, and faster growth. You know, in India, those who speak English well are seen as more intelligent and professional. For many, it's a struggle to do a job interview, sales presentations, managing customers, attending parent-teacher meetings, Zoom calls, all in English. They struggle to communicate. But we know that becoming fluent in English is not easy. It's too expensive and takes a lot of time. Hi, I'm Ajit from Capshine. Capshine is a new way to develop your English fluency. It's quick, easy, fun, affordable, and effective. Congratulations to you! Rather than hiding from English, you have taken the first bold step to improve your English and change your life. At Capshine, we are with you in this journey to make you a success in just a few months. So what is Capshine? Capshine is not just your general tuition classes. It's an online Learn It Together program where you are a part of an English learning club with others just like you and a personal coach who will guide you to learn through videos, live lessons, and daily activities. The first month is completely free, and you can use all the features of Capshine that will get your English fluency to a different level in just a few months. So how does Capshine improve your English fluency? The first thing is through live online club meetings. First, you will be part of a club with others just like you, and so you can learn together with them. The Capshine club meets are interactive and give you opportunities to speak with others in your group. Because only when you talk will you improve and learn better. It's okay if you're wrong. That's part of your learning. Helped by a personal coach. Speaking about your personal coach, at Capshine Club, you don't just get a teacher, you get a personal coach. They will track your performance, learning, and help you at every stage. You can go to them with queries, doubts, suggestions, for tips, and discuss all your learning issues with them on a one-on-one basis. You get customized feedback and specific tips on how to improve your fluency. Let's come to measuring your learning. You have been part of a few sessions and have been consistent. You've been doing everything that your coach has been telling you to. How do you know that you're progressing? How much you've progressed? That's where our proprietary monthly fluency tracker comes into play. It's a system to measure your proficiency and fluency based on your performance and other parameters. This tracker is personal and exclusive to each student. Another thing that you can participate in is the live club classes. These are live classes that teach you grammar, vocabulary, and many other things that are important. These classes are live. Yes, these sessions are live with the coach and group participating real time, which means there are more live interactions and on-the-spot doubt clarifications, so you can become a more precise and accurate user of the language. It's not just enough to attend a few hours of session each week. You have to go back and speak English continuously outside the sessions too, which is where we send daily micro lessons to keep learning and practicing so you can become a more powerful and capable speaker day after day. And finally, for those who want to learn at your own pace and you have a thirst to improve your English, Capshine has hundreds of short videos in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and English, languages of your choice and vernacular, to help you build your grammar, pronunciation, and vocabulary. So now that we have covered what you get to experience as part of the Capshine Club, all we ask you is that you put a little effort and discipline in learning, and we will ensure the world sees you as a completely new you very soon. And remember that once you gain English fluency at Capshine, it will be yours forever. Your secret weapon for your success everywhere you go, forever. You know, I know, we all know life is better when you can speak English well. Learn with Capshine, shine with Capshine Club.